Sit upright. Feel the contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Let your hands rest in your lap. Close your eyes. Breathe in and out. This practice is not about relaxation. It is about clarity. About examining what you are made of and deciding what you want it to be. Breathe in slowly and out. Notice your body. Where it holds tension. Where it wants to shift, to fidget, to move away from stillness. Let it be still anyway. This small act, choosing not to move when movement would be easier, this is where it begins. Breathe in and out. Discipline is not a trait you are born with. It is a decision you make repeatedly, in small moments, until it becomes who you are. You are making one of those decisions right now. Let your body settle fully. Your shoulders. Your face. Your hands. Release whatever grip you are holding. Breathe in and out. Here is something worth sitting with. The body defaults to comfort. This is not weakness. It is biology. The body is designed to conserve energy, to seek warmth, to avoid effort when effort is not required. The mind can override this, but only if it is exercised. Think of a moment in your life when you did something difficult. Not something forced on you. Something you chose. Something that required you to go beyond what felt comfortable, to push through resistance, to stay when leaving would have been easier. Hold that moment in your mind. Breathe in and out. Notice how that memory feels in your body. There is something solid in it. Something that does not fade. That is what discipline produces. Not just results. A kind of knowledge about yourself. A proof that you can. The Stoics called the disciplined life the good life. Not because it was pleasant, but because it was honest. It matched what you were capable of with what you actually did. Most people live below their capacity. Not from inability. From habit. From comfort. From choosing the easier thing so often that the harder thing starts to feel impossible. Breathe in slowly and out. Where in your life are you choosing comfort over capacity right now? Do not answer quickly. Let the question sit. This is not about punishment. It is not about being hard on yourself. It is about seeing clearly. The gap between who you are and who you are capable of being is not a source of shame. It is a source of direction. Breathe in and out. The next time you face a choice between ease and effort, between doing what is comfortable and doing what is required, you will feel a pull. The body will say stop. The mind will offer a reason why today is not the day. This meditation is training you to notice that moment and act anyway. Feel that intention settle into your body now. Not as pressure. As readiness. Breathe in and out. There is no discipline without repetition. Every time you act against comfort, the path gets slightly more worn. Slightly easier to find the next time. Not because the difficulty disappears. Because you have proven to yourself that you can walk it. You are building that proof right now, in this room, in this stillness. Breathe in slowly and out. Let this settle. The work is not done when this meditation ends. The work is done in the next choice, and the one after that. But this is where you decided. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Take a full breath in. Let it out slowly. Open your eyes when you are ready. Carry the decision with you.